Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome back to our channel. English can sometimes feel complex, full of rules and exceptions, but today I want to show you some informal spoken English you'll often hear in daily conversations, movies, songs and social medias. Let's get started! Let's begin with the word ain't. It is informal and non-standard contraction. You will hear it, but it is not considered correct in formal English. Ain't can replace several negative forms of to be, to have, and sometimes to do. For example, I'm tired, but in informal English you might hear I ain't tired. She's not ready. She ain't ready. They are not tired. They ain't tired. I have not seen him today. I ain't seen him today. Note that ain't is used only in negative sentences, so don't use it in positive statements. The next word is wanna, short for want to. It means desire or intention to do something. For example, I wanna go home, meaning I want to go home. Do you wanna watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? She doesn't wanna talk. She doesn't want to talk. The next word is gonna, short for going to. We use it for future plans or intentions. For example, I'm gonna call you later, which means I'm going to call you later. It's gonna rain, which means it's going to rain. We're gonna win, we are going to win. Note that gonna is always used with a form of to be, such as I am, he is, we are, and so on. I'm gonna go. This is correct. The next word is gotta, short for got to or have got to. It is used to express obligation or necessity. And it is used in informal spoken English only. For example, I gotta go, which means I have to go. You gotta see this movie, which means you must see this movie. I gotta finish my homework before dinner. I have got to finish my homework before dinner. Always use gotta with a verb after it. I gotta do my homework. This is correct. The next word is kinda, short for kind of, which means a little or somewhat. For example, I'm kinda tired. I'm a little tired. It's kinda cold today. It's a bit cold today. He's kinda funny but also shy. Kinda is often used before adjectives and adverbs. For example, kinda tired, kinda late, kinda slow. And the final word for today, dunno, short for don't know, which means I don't know. It is used in very informal quick speech. For example, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Where is Jake? Don't know. I don't know. She don't know the answer. Don't know is very informal and we don't use it in writing. Don't know is usually used for I don't know. But people sometimes say he don't know, she don't know in casual spoken English. That's all for today. If you found this lesson valuable, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.